Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel, or welcome to my channel if you're new here. Fun fact, I've never restored a Nokia 1100. A very popular phone, and yet I've never done it. I have one right here. Well, no signal because the SIM it's unregistered, to say like that. Anyway, this is how it looks, its current shape. Of course, I don't have, unfortunately, a complete body shell, but I do have the front buttons. And actually, I might keep these buttons. I just give them a good clean. If not, I'll change them anyway. I'll change the buttons, the front, and the battery cover. And I'll try to save the original middle part with a good cleanup. So, let's not waste any more time and get into it. Oh, I accidentally turned on the flashlight. Okay, now I'm curious about the flashlight. How did I turn it on? There it is. Oh. So by holding the cancel button, you turn it on and off. Cool. Anyway, let's begin. Let me take a seat. So, don't need this anymore. The most popular Nokia battery, the BL5C. And I have here my SIM card. Now let's get this puppy out from the bottom to the top, baby. That's it. This is how to disassemble this body shell, because it's designed like this, so you can change the body shell. Well, maybe you like another color, or you know. So, let's unscrew this. This is a very easy phone to disassemble. Wait, a very easy to disassemble phone. Man, my English. Yeah. Oh, so this screw is screwing around, huh? That was so bad. So, let me take it out. And here we have the brains. I will need to take everything out. Huh. The same loudspeaker as the Nokia 3310. Almost. This thing as well. Okay. Vibration motor. This is the antenna. Everything is in one piece. I'm only afraid that the antenna might get rusted, and this thing as well, but it is what it is. Yeah, this will get cleaned later. The microphone, which I will continue to disassemble. It jumped. Good. Good enough. Come on, get out of here. Get out of here. No, seriously, get out. There you go. Did I damage it? No. Dented, but not damaged. Now this needs a bit of extra cleaning as well. I will try to clean it with the same powerful solution which I'm gonna use to clean that body shell. Here's the display. It's held in clamps, okay. There we go. I'm not gonna take it out, this just needs a good clean, and that's it. Good cleanup. Here we have the loudspeaker. It just got it sticked to the rubber. This is rubber seals, baby. This is the main board. This thing should come off, right? I mean, it's just, yeah, something like this. The metal plate with the email and other information. Again, rubber seal. The main board. I'll clean this thing as it is. You know, first things first, let me dust them. The LED flash. Sorry, the lantern or flashlight. Yeah, that's right, flashlight. Phew, dust it's in the air. This is where you can put wrist wraps, left and right, or necklace wraps, if I say them correctly. I don't know exactly how to name them. Right. Yeah, I'll just go ahead and clean here first. Get all this mess out of here. And now I'll take this and I'll go get some special foam to clean the phone. Be right back. And I'm back with the foam. Soup's done. I'll go ahead and plunge this here. Foamy. Well, it will take a while, but I'll leave this here. I need to go wash my hands a little. Be right back. While that thing soaks, let me clean all this. This doesn't look that dirty. However, this looks that dirty. Yeah, it's not good. Okay, now since this thing got in the foam, I'll go clean this with water. Actually, rinse it with water. Be right back. Back with it clean. Blow some air on this as well. Okay, now let's see what's going on with this body shell. Oh, okay, it's coming off nicely. Yeah, boy. Oh my god, it's on my clothes. This thing is very powerful. Look at the yellow stuff. This is from the body shell. Very powerful and dangerous. Strong substance. Well, not I don't know how to call it. It sounded weird, but yeah. I'll go to rinse this with water and I'll be right back. Oh my god. And okay, it's a pretty big difference. Wow. Okay, I'm happy. I need to do something about this now. I hope I don't regret it. Still, I have to let it in the solution for a while. Yeah, man, all this yellow stuff, this is the dirt, the awful things that are in it. Anyway, while that thing soaks, this thing needs to be blown away. Would you look at this? Well, I still have some scratches, fine scratches, but this is how it will remain, because I don't know, it just gives it some I don't know. I don't know how to explain this. Some sort of special plastic look. Yeah, I'll leave it like that. Now, is this thing clean enough? It is somewhat clean enough, but yeah. I'll also go to rinse this while brushing it. Be right back. Alright. Got this in my brush. Let me take this out of the way because it's, like I said, it's dangerous. Now, let me first blow my brush. Okay, that should be enough. Well, the time has come to put it back together. Again. Alright, so. I just saw this. Straight here, yes, okay. Take el microphone. Put it back in its place with this thing as well. First, let me adjust the pins a little, you know, for better contact. The vibration motor. Here is the loudspeaker's place of honor. Meow. I can actually put this here right now, you know. See? Now I can just put these together. This in here, the loudspeaker, and this metal frame. Ah, that crunching sound when it holds everything together. So adjusting these a bit. Okay. I know what you're thinking. The screen is dirty. I know. For the moment, it's dirty. Okay. Here's the new body shell. What the heck is this? I don't like how it looks. Let me look for another one. Should I make it a pinky or a greeny? Why does the pink one look better? Oh, but it has the door. I thought it did not have the door. Ah, heck. Lately I've been making pink phones. Why not a pink 1100? From the top to the bottom. Okay, nice. Now, let me put the SIM card in its place. Click the battery, and then you put the battery cover. It will also hold the body shell in place. Clicked in place. I never thought I was gonna make it pink, but here it is. That's how it looks. There we go. Ah, it's on for a few seconds, okay. I wonder if the camera works. Psych. Yeah, I suicided myself. What's wrong with me? My autofocus. No, it's because my finger, my thumb, it's over it. Yeah. Actually, let me make first a thumbnail, and actually snakes was a good thumbnail. Thank you very much for watching. If you enjoyed it, please leave a like, maybe consider subscribing, and I'll see you in the next video. And like always, I wish you a very awesome day just like yourself, and all the best. Bye.